Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Musings of Anish. Today's the last episode for this month. I think I've done fairly well by missing out only on four videos for 31 days. I think that's a good number. Um, so today I finished flow riding workshop in the morning, and I think I'd like to make myself believe that I probably changed this person's life by teaching him the few skills that I was able to teach him today in terms of how you ride your bike, or what your bike is capable of, or what really you are capable of making your bike do. So if you're wondering what the flow riding workshop is, shameless plug, I will put a link below. It's beginner mountain biking skills building workshop. It's about making you behave less like a rubber band that's tied up, that's tensed up, and on a bike while you're on a bike, and making you just flow very fluidly like water. Choosing a path, choosing the path of least resistance, like they say in my favorite mountain biking film called Life Cycles. Look it up. If you haven't seen it, you'll fall in love with it. Okay, enough banter. So that enough shameless plug. Topic for today is okay. Um, I'm still I'm single by choice, but I still enjoy uh, what you would like to call dating, maybe. Um, so last week I met somebody who was out of town, who was an out of towner and wanted to see how things work in this city. Uh, Fun person, one of the people with a world view. Um, Writer, pretty smart that way too. So anyway, yeah, yeah. If you think why I'm stalling, obviously I like this person. Ha 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 ha. But yeah, the point is, she kept saying that it's the little things, it's the little things, and I, me being me, I said, oh, then I should probably leave because I'm well endowed. Yes, that is what a date with me will feel like. But yeah, then kept saying it's the little things that she enjoys. That is kind of how I live my life too. So yeah, there was some kind of communication gap that was being bridged. But yeah, coming back to the little things, um, it's little things like boxes that come to you. This box, I didn't even buy it. Yesterday, we gave out medals and a bunch of goodies to people who did the Conquer the Bull BBCI challenge, where they have to climb Nandi 12 times in the 12th month of 2020, which is December. So, whoever finished that, we were giving them goodies. And then I found this box, and this is like a Calvin and Hobbes movement. And I picked it up. I had to have it. So, I'll tell you why. Because it's an empty box, but it's got compartments. Isn't that exciting? My life is so much more better now. So yeah, I hauled this home from the ceremony. So it's the little things, it's an empty box, but it's what you can think about, you can do with the empty box that really excites the shit out of me. That being said, this also came in the mail today, Amazon package, of course. Very excited about this. So yeah, here's my second unboxing video. We're gonna quickly open this up and show you what's in it, what I'm so excited about, why cardboard has the potential to tingle my spine. I need a better knife if I'm going to do this unpacking business more regularly. All right, it's free. I'm gonna close this because safety first. In you go, and will that's a whole A4 sheet that they wasted. That's okay. But are you guys ready? You ready? Are you ready? Tell me you're ready. Pa-pa-da-ba. So there's a little Facebook community called Cyclop. A bunch of people who ride bikes and who want to buy bikes, who want to sell bikes, blah blah blah. Anyway, they went ahead and put together a bunch of stories on Indian cycling called the Takeoff, and other two stories by Indian cyclists, but the takeoff part. And guess who's on the cover? This is NJ, Naveen John, national champion 5 times. So I'm gonna I don't know. I just got the book. We're gonna see what's happening. It's a collectible. I would say it's a collectible. Get your hands on it. Um, yeah. So how cardboard makes my life exciting, or how empty cardboard, or how cardboard makes my life exciting. That's what this whole video is about. And I want to thank everyone who's been subscribing, tuning in, leaving comments, leaving likes, sharing it, whatever you guys have been doing to keep some activity going on the channel. Thank you so much. I look forward to more of that from more people. 1 month down, 11 more to go. Fingers and toes crossed. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.